there's a new, more efficient way to manage large green spaces. An autonomous solution with systematic mowing that delivers superb results. Working sustainably and quietly, and using virtual boundaries to offer flexible, hassle-free turf care. The all-new CEORA by Husqvarna can deliver up to 25,000 square meter of perfectly cut professional sports turf every day, with just one robotic mower covering multiple areas. Larger areas can be mowed 2 to 3 times per week for professionally maintained turf, working within virtual boundaries on defined transport paths. It can even cover really large green spaces once or twice a week, producing regular quality turf. You can also create temporary stay-out zones when needed. CEORA effectively manages very large grass areas, delivering superb cutting results. It's a cost-efficient, sustainable solution. Welcome to the future of commercial turf care. In the beginning, we all start small, but we grow, we evolve, and our world becomes bigger, much bigger. We develop new skills to manage larger and larger spaces, systematically but flexible enough to allow for change. We innovate and we adapt because the world never stops growing or changing, and neither do we. Welcome to the future of commercial turf care. Introducing Husqvarna CEORA.